Dear students of MA, I am Tahmina Sobhan. I hope you all are doing well and keeping up your studies as well. However, I have already discussed on modern poetry and a poem by W.B. Yeats, which is in your syllabus. Today, I am going to discuss another poem named When You Are Old, written by W.B. Yeats. You know, W.B. Yeats was a modern poet and he was an Irish poet also. Now I am going to read the poem. When you are old. When you are old and grey and full of sleep and nodding by the fire, take down this book and slowly read and dream of the soft look your eyes had once and of their shadows deep. How many loved your moments of glad grace and loved your beauty with love false or true, but one man loved the pilgrim soul in you and loved the sorrows of your changing face, and bending down beside the glowing bars, murmur a little sadly how love fled and paced upon the mountains overhead and hid his face amid a crowd of stars. Now, before going to discuss the poem, I would like to tell something about the poem, some important features of the poem. When You Are Old is a lyric poem. It is an early poem of W.B. Yeats. In this poem, you refers to Modgon. Modgon was an English-born Irish Republican revolutionary and actress whom Yeats loved and wanted to marry, but she refused to marry him several times. This poem illustrates Yeats' rejected love and reminds Modgon that in the future she will regret not marrying him. So, before going to explain the poem, you should know the themes of the poem. There are three major themes in this poem. Love, rejection, and time are the major themes of this poem. To express pure love, the poet invites her to have a glance at the time when she will be old and will not be surrounded by fake lovers. Therefore, she should understand his feelings toward her. Now, I would like to tell you the summary of the poem. This is a short poem of 12 lines. 3 stanzas are here. The speaker directly addresses someone and asks this person to imagine old age, a time of grey hair and general tiredness. And dear students, of course, this someone is Modgon. She should also think about how many people had praised her for her gracefulness and physical beauty. These people were not sincere in their love, but there was one man who genuinely loved her emotional and spiritual beauty. And this man was obviously the poet himself. The man also loved the sorrows that showed on her face as it changed over the years. Then the speaker imagines her bending down to tend to a fire. She would then recall sadly about how love fled away to walk restlessly in the mountains and hide among the stars of the night. Thank you, dear students.